Good morning, Namaste. Here we are in one of the biggest fruit and vegetable market in Jaipur, although it is one of the biggest in Asia. Like in the western part of the world, you do call all these as the supermarkets. But in this country, as most of the population, which is vegetarian people, and as a result of that, there is much more consumption of fruit, vegetables, and there are a lot of varieties of vegetables are there. And for that purpose and for that demand and supply purpose, there is much more supply is there from the nearby areas of Jaipur as well as the different part of India. Several states do supply various kind of vegetables, fruits, as well as the grains. So we are in the biggest fruit, vegetable, and the grain market of Asia. Where millions of the people do come and they do have the trade of the various products. It is the early morning of the February month, and we are here to cover one of the major aspect or the important aspect of the Indian's life, as in the early morning people do come at here to sell as well as to buy the stuff at here. The beautiful and the good quality of the carrot is there. Then there are some green vegetables, bottle gourd are there, jackfruits. Although these don't grow in the areas of Rajasthan or the nearby areas, but it is coming majorly from the central part of India. That is Madhya Pradesh. That's in short it is called MP. Then it is Gujarat, Haryana, Delhi, UP, Uttar Pradesh, and then from the southern part of India also there are a lot of stuff is coming at here. Here the seller is busy and the lady finger. Lady finger?
Ladies finger है भाई साहब, ladies finger.
Yes.
Ladies finger.
The gentleman is happy to sell, but as we are not going to buy anything at here, we are just to explore this market in the morning hours and help you to get the real side of this country, that is the real India. So in the next trip when you are in Jaipur or in any other part of the country, then you do ask to have a visit in the morning hours to a fruit or vegetable market, the big market, not the small one. The fresh cauliflower, seasonal vegetables, cauliflower, carrot, red as well as the dark color. So here the coconut, tender coconuts, as in the local dialect people do call it dab. It comes majorly from the part of the southern India, that is Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, as well as then it is the eastern part of the country, that is West Bengal also. Here all these fresh trucks are there. They do come at the midnight or early in the morning, and then from here all the trade do happen. It is one piece which is about 40 to 50 rupees in the retail market, but in the wholesale market it comes about 35, 34 or 35. That is something the price, which is today's price. It is going to change every day. The best businessmen at here, the one who do come early, do good bargain at there, and then fix the prices on the lower one with the good quality. As the big lorries do come and they do bring the stuff in the wholesale way, much more in the good quantity, and then these are get packed in these kind of the small trays at here. The grape, the fresh crop of the grape is coming now. It is again from the Maharashtra areas, and then there's some part of the Karnataka it is coming. As India is having only one of the best quality of the wine, which is coming from the Nashik area of the Maharashtra state, and that's called Sula. So the grape wineries, they are situated in those areas, and the green as well as the beautiful purple in color. Two varieties as of now into the market, although some of the seasonal things, because it is the ending of the winter and then starting of the spring is at here, and that's how the grapes are into the market. Pomegranates. As our name says, Meet India. Our core idea is to make people familiarize with real India through videos related to art, craft, cultural, historical and monumental experiences. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please do it quickly so you can experience much more the real side of India. Thank you.